Let your spirit rest on me. Breathe on me, Lord, till your glory is all I see. Breathe on me, Lord. Send your fire from above. Breathe on me, Lord. Fill my heart with heaven's love. Hey! Hold on! Hey! 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 Hold on! I come before you just as I am, hungry for more of your presence. Nothing in this world can satisfy. Only you can fill this emptiness. Wash away every distraction, remove every weight from my soul. Draw me deeper into your presence until my heart is completely yours. When you move, the blind can see. When you speak, the captives are free. When you breathe, dry bones arise and miracles come alive. Hey! Breathe on me, Lord. Let your spirit rest on me. Breathe on me, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Hey! Till your glory is all I see. Breathe on me, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Send a fire, fire from above. Breathe on me, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Fill my heart with heaven's love. Hey, hey, hey! Like the wind upon the water, like the fire upon the altar. Come and do what only you can do, Lord. Let revival start with me. Take my worship, make it pleasing. Take my voice and use it for your praise. Let my life become a living offering that brings honor to your name. When you move, the blind can see. When you speak, the captives are free. When you breathe, dry bones arise and miracles come alive. Breathe on. Hey! Let your spirit rest on me. Breathe on me, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Till your glory is all I see. Breathe on, breathe on, breathe on me, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Send your fire, fire from above. Breathe on me, Lord. Breathe on me, Lord. Fill my heart with heaven's love. Hey! Hey! Holy Ghost, fall afresh on me. Let your power overflow. Hey! Every room of my heart belongs to you. Take control. Take control. Holy Ghost, fall afresh on me. Let your river freely flow. Hey! Every part of my life belongs to you. Take control. your fire from above. Hey, 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 hey. Breathe on me, Lord. Fill my heart with heaven's love. Hey. I come before you just as I am, hungry for more of your presence. Nothing in this world can satisfy. Only you can fill this emptiness. Wash away every distraction, remove every weight from my soul. Draw me deeper into your presence until my heart is completely yours.